Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we are asking you to show us your Barbies in the Hi Barbie Challenge and tell us about your weather. Dress your doll for the weather and tell us what the weather by you is like. Here in the mid of the U.S., in the mid of Missouri, it's a cool morning. It's been raining like crazy. Look at the farmer's field. It's really grown. It's grown, wouldn't you say most of that has grown from about 6 inches up in about 3 or 4 days? Seriously.
Yeah, nearly, yep.
I mean, it has just taken off growing. So that's our weather. We can't mow because the ground is so wet. Our lawnmower would just get stuck. Tell us about your weather. Also, tell us in the comments if you have a Hi Barbie video today, and we'll come by and watch and see what your weather is. Thank you, Dory. Always a fun time, and I can't wait to hear what we're going to do next month for our Amaya Rain on the 3rd of each month, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of each month, and Hi Barbie on the 18th of each month. Thank you for watching, and please go by and see Dory's video today and everyone else's. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.